Welcome to Bush Channel.
You tired, sweetie? Bit of a rest?
Yeah, a bit of rest. Still hungry.
One way of resting your back without taking your backpack off is just stop next to a big boulder like this and just lean your backpack against the rock behind you. Takes a bit of weight off your body without taking your backpack off. In a previous video we were following rock cans. On this hike we're just following these yellow arrows at the moment. Slightly more reliable than a rock can, actually permanently attached to the boulder. They glow in the dark too, at least when you shine a light on them they reflect back at you.
What? So we're going to the
Good afternoon, campers. We've just stopped in this cave for a quick lunch break. Really nice spot here. Nice and sheltered under cover. Even though we're so high up and almost at the very top of the mountain, still pretty warm in here compared to outside. No wind. Just wanted to show you how the Sawyer Mini's functioning right now. We've got a slow drip happening. Might have to just backflush the system. So yeah, not exactly the fastest water flow, but the water's going through the purifier, through the filter. There's my 10 litre dromedary wrapped up in EVA foam because I heated that water this morning. It's warm water going through the purifier. Not sure if that's affecting water flow. I did read in the instructions that you you never want to put water that's too hot through the purifier, but it's about 50 degrees, so that should be alright. Just taking a few items out of my backpack just to free up a bit of space, keeping all my dry clothes in that Cedar Summit dry sack. Sometimes out here when it starts raining, sometimes I have to quickly actually take all my base layers off and put them in that dry sack just for tonight. So right now I'm only wearing one very thin layer underneath here, and I'm saving all my heavier base layers for tonight when I'm trying to sleep. Here's our backpacks. Same backpacks you've seen in a few videos. Still powering away. Just wanted to show you again the brand name. This is an Australian brand name, actually made in Australia. One Planet, very respectable brand name. All canvas, not made in China. Here's our food bag. Food bag. What's left of it? Everything's in reusable plastic bags. There's some whey protein inside an old muesli bag. That's what we're doing now, is just mixing up whey protein as we slowly Well, look, the water flow's slightly sped up a bit. There you go. We're getting probably what, 1 litre per 4 or 5 minutes there. We'll see what else is in this bag here. There's me muesli, actually inside a muesli bag. That's what we'll be cooking tonight. Inside there is corn maize. Bit of Nutella. Sweetie, your favourite spread?
Favorite, yeah.
For your sandwiches?
Yeah.
Bit of chocolate. It's only 8 little squares of full cream milk chocolate. What else is in there? So we keep a lot of our food in these reusable black seal-up bags, very strong seal-up bags from a shop called T2. So they're tea bags that we're just reusing to carry food. The Sawyer Mini turning out to be quite a reliable little unit, unbelievably lightweight, and I think considering the cheap cost of these little units and just how lightweight they are, you could easily carry 3 or 4 of them in your backpack and you still wouldn't notice the difference in weight. Unlike other filters, just so small, light, compact, low cost and quite reliable. We've spoken to a few other backpackers who have used these on some very long hikes. Pretty confident about this piece of gear, and we have actually filtered a bit of puddle water through that Sawyer Mini, so it definitely does filter water that's not crystal clear. Certainly I don't plan on putting muddy water through the Sawyer Mini because I doubt whether it could handle really muddy water, but we'll see how she goes. My backpack's all canvas, so I've just got it backside down, outside side up. That'll keep me stuff dry that's inside there. I probably might have to move it in a minute. I think it's starting to pull a bit of water on top there. So tonight's dinner will start cooking soon. Got the tent nicely set up, all those rocks holding the base outwards. The guy line's pulling it out. One thing about when you're setting your tent up, you want to pull those bottom loop things, these loops down here, pull them as far outwards as possible. Gives you more space inside your tent. So I've got those heavy rocks there, just holding the tent in position. And all my dry clothes, including my sleeping bag, is inside that red coloured dry sack. Totally dry, totally dry as a bone. And that's what I'll be sleeping with tonight. Chicken curry powder sauce with
Lamb. Is this lamb?
Lamb ribs, onion, what else?
It's only onion.
Salt and pepper as well.
Salt and pepper.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Shower, isn't it?
Good morning, it's 8 o'clock next morning. There's me backpack totally soaked. Just give you a quick look at what's happened here. As I often do, I buried the can of butane and just dug a little hole out, buried the can, and a puddle has formed around the can, so it doesn't look like a very hospitable place to be cooking your breakfast. So I've just eaten everything raw this morning. Give you an idea of the amount of rainfall last night. We have been flooded. Well, we'll pack up our tent soon once the rain stops and move out of here. And we'd like to wish you once again happy camping.